Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the 7 steps to take when you are writing a blog post. But before I do that, please give this video a like and a subscribe to this channel for more videos on digital marketing and entrepreneurship. We want to do some research before writing a blog post because we want it to rank on Google, and the whole point of a blog, right, is to be able to be found for years to come. That way we can make money passively. So the number one step to take is going to be figuring out what problems your audience has or what do they want to learn about. So when you have a problem, you can provide the solution for it. So number one is figuring out that problem your audience has. Number two is going to be creating a list of the problems that your audience has regarding a certain topic, because we want to be able to write multiple blog posts about that topic so we can rank on Google. If you're just doing a blog post on one topic, Google, chances are, is not going to look at you as the expert in that area. They want to be able to see that you have multiple things about that topic. So what questions, what problems does your audience have within that certain topic that you're going to be talking about? Number 3 is going to be keyword research, which is very important because we want to be able to rank our blog posts. We don't just want to be writing something where it will never show up on Google, never show up on any kind of searches. We want to write a post that shows up. So a good one to use, a good keyword research to use would be Key Search. They do have a monthly membership, and I can drop the link down below for that. There's also Ubersuggest, which is free. We want to look at the area where it says paid, the score for paid and the score for organic searches. With those two numbers, you can determine if your blog post will be able to rank or if it's too hard to rank for. And there's no point in writing that blog post because you'll never pop up in the searches because it's too competitive. So we want to go for the smaller ranking keywords where we can rank first on Google. So number 4 is going to be looking at that keyword and plugging it in on Google, plugging it in on Pinterest, plugging it in on YouTube, Quora, and seeing what kind of things pop up. Now, message boards, if message boards pop up on Google, if Quora pops up on Google for that certain keyword, chances are those are very good keywords to write a blog post about because people have questions regarding that certain topic. Now, you want to see the things that pop up on those searches. What are they writing about, and how can you make it better and address the questions that your audience has? So number 5 is going to be checking out the length of the blog posts that pop up when you put in that keyword on Google. So you want to be competitive against these people, and there's going to be an average on what the length is of their blog post. So check out what the average is and make sure that your blog post is about that same length, if not longer, so you have an advantage and can rank for that spot on Google. We've already determined that you are able to rank based on the keyword research that we did prior. So now this is just being more competitive and trying to rank against them with the length. Now that we've done all the research behind what blog posts to write about, what topics, the keywords, if we're able to rank for them, number 6 is going to be outlining that blog post. So this is a really easy way of coming up with your article, because if you outline, then you can just go ahead and write paragraphs for each outline rather than trying to start writing and then have no idea what you're going to write about. Just putting outlines and headers first and then writing paragraphs about it makes it so much easier. Number 7 is going to be putting links to your other blogs within your blog, so that way the person is reading your article, they're able to go ahead and click a link that goes to another article on your blog. This is very good because Google likes similar links within your blog, and this is one of the very first steps I mentioned, where you have to be able to write several of that topic, so you can link within the topics and also makes you credible in Google's eye. So these are the top 7 steps to writing a blog post. Now, if you have any comments or you have anything to add to these steps, please just comment below. Give this video a like and a subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one.